morning, everyone. It is May 31st, 2019. I'm wearing my Star Wars Galaxy's Edge Coke shirt. You know what that means. Today is the day we get to go to Galaxy's Edge. Oh my God. The feeling that I have, I can't describe it. It is amazing. Disneyland opened today at 6 a.m. to let people in. It is, I'm looking like I have a watch. I think it's like 7-ish. I slept as long as I could. I'm ready to go. Guys, I can't wait. I'm in Disneyland. Oh my God, I can't wait. I got my map. Guys, it's happening. It's freaking happening. I'm not even gonna open and look at this until I go in, because I don't want to be spoiled. The castle looks amazing. I really like it. It's not quite as bright as I thought it was going to be, but it looks really, 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 really dang good. We're excited just to see the entrance. So all that crap you saw today was just filler until this moment where I can truly be alive.
Just 29.
Yeah. I don't even know what to show, because everything is just so insane. Like, I don't know what to show you first. I have no words, and I talk a lot, and I have no words. I guess I'm going to show you the Merchant's Row. This is what they're calling it. I am just in love with everything here. This is way bigger scale. I keep hearing people say you won't believe the scale of everything, but you really don't understand until you're here. I mean, it is unbelievable. Oh my God, it's Rontos Roasters. Yeah, they're still cooking it. Eggs here. It's really not that crowded. Parts of it are congested, but it's, whoa, because it feels like an actual place. It feels like a living, breathing environment. Oh my God, I'm so happy. This is unreal. It's an Imperial probe droid back there. The reveals here are just so cinematic. This is unbelievable. I can't believe it's just, I'm not going to be able to say anything because I don't have anything to say other than like just holy crap. It's unbelievable, guys. The things I really love about this land is how they kind of did the Pandora thing where all the sounds are real. Like what it would actually sound like what it sounds like on Batu. It's unbelievable. Guys, this thing is freaking real. I don't know what to say other than that. Look at the places. Ronto wrap is freaking delicious. I love it.
I don't know how they got it set up inside like a cook set or something. It's an actual wall.
It's just not Scream Brenda's name.
No hope standing against us. Even now, we believe they're making a useless attempt to recruit and draw others to their hopeless cause. So while you may have come to Batu on holiday,
About to go into Oga's Cantina. I was under the impression that Oga was the old lady in the concept art, or the old man, whatever it was. I forget exactly what it looks like, but I don't think that's the case because back here, right above me, over here, there was like some audio of like somebody begging Oga not to murder them. And it was really cool. It sounds very violent, but it is, but it was awesome.
Oh my god.
Looks like I'm losing altitude fast. Sorry, folks. I'm sure I'll do better next time.
It was my first time, and I'm still getting used to my part.
It's mine.
Two. Hi there. Customers. I better get started. I always wanted to do this. Wait, which was it? Nope. Here we go. Hello, folks. I'm DJ Rex. This may be your first time here, and it's mine too. Let's get to cruising altitude with a tribute to a song that swept the galaxy.
Bought 16 hours. Got a lot. It's actually not that bad.
Hi there. This is your cat.
So I have
Okay, thank you. Right.
I'll be the new one. He's already gone.
There you go. So, with extra questions, what are you?
Doing smuggling run. I'm so excited.
Gar for Malta.
This is Malta. Go ahead.
Hey, Malta, can you hear that?
You're welcome.
Well, there's a hissing coming from this crate.
No. I can't hear anything over the intercom, but maybe you should leave it alone. In fact, I'm sure you should leave it alone.
Ow! Oh, man, that hurts.
What did you do?
Hey, why would someone be shooting baby wrath cars? That can't be legal.
Carl, were you just bitten by a reptar?
A little. Oh, wow, that swells up fast.
Oh my god. This is so freaking cool, man. We're playing Savi.
Tell us about yourself, Carl.
messing with me? Seriously, Hondo wants this thing fixed and back on a ship today. This is not a joke.
Yes, please send me that.
Yeah, if you just want to stand the back.
This queue is awesome. It's very industrial feeling. One cool thing I like that is it doesn't just look industrial. Everything feels heavy and real. It's not like, for example, when you go into Gringotts and it looks really cool and really pretty, and then you touch like the marble, it feels like wallpaper, and then that kind of ruins it. Everything here feels real and thick and has weight to it. It's really great.
Same as always. Definitely here.
What a fine-looking group of flight professionals. You remind me of me, but without the bounty on your heads. Recognize a few of you. You've flown for me before. I can't believe you made it back. It's good you made it back. Good for you.
Hondo, one of the engines blew up again.
We'll talk later. I have to do everything around here. Yes. Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the opportunity of a lifetime. I need flight crews to transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come in. The Millennium Falcon. Oh no, for some very fast and very profitable expeditions. Chewbacca, my fine furry friend! Yes, as we agreed, you let us use the ship, we'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. What? No, the First Order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. And if and when you are successful, the rewards will be astronomical for me.
Okay, go and take a look at those. Please make sure to work together as a team. Okay, head aboard the Millennium Falcon.
Oh my god, it does feel like you're getting on the Falcon. They did a good job. Can we go in?
Oh my god!
This is so insane.
That's a real...
Good luck to you all.
He's an animated character.
Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a First Order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. And as we always say here at Onaka Transport Solutions, get out of here and go make Hondo some money.
For your safety, remain seated and supervise your
Oh my god!
Oh my god, this is gonna be terrifying.
You have to hit your button.
Flight engineers, repair test.
Oh, I have to press it.
I got 1,400.
R5, damage report. Hyperdrive leak, that is not too good. Multiple faults, well, it could be worse. Life support failure, that's something. I'm just going to do precision. Everybody out. Go on, get out.
Do you have any holes in the ship? Oh, yeah, it doesn't sound
yeah. Oh, we messed it up a little bit, I think.
Like that last asteroid, it's automatically. I think the more you.
Well, I have fun. I got to do that.
Three registers. That's very weird. All right, so that is the end of my time on Black Spire. Or is it? Nope. I got another wristband, kids. We're rocking and rolling all night at Galaxy's Edge. This is more exciting for me because I like things at night, so I can't wait to see this land at night light up and see all the effects that they have. It's gonna be awesome. Dallon's here back there somewhere. I don't know where he went. Where is he? I don't know. He's over here somewhere in line, getting meat before we go into Galaxy's Edge. But I'm at Disneyland, right? So I gotta ride Indiana Jones, I gotta do Toad. There's a few loose ends I gotta tie before I get back onto Batuu. So let's continue, and then we're gonna see it at night. Go to Disneyland without a ride on Roger Rabbit cartoon. Dash Rendar?
I'm here for Galaxy's Edge, and that's
what?
it.
I thought you died.
I'm also here for Roger Rabbit's cartoon spin. It's the best e-ticket in the park.
It is.
I'm taking it all in.
Scraps for today?
Absolutely.
This is going to be our elemental nature, our protection and defense, peace and justice, and power and control.
Okay.
R5 units are my favorite. I love them.
Listen carefully to your mission briefing and try to work together. Your lives and profit depend on it. So let's get you on those ships.
So I broke away from the group to go do the single rider at Smuggler's Run, and it doesn't look like it's very long of a wait for single riders. I've yet to run into another person.
That's
What?
I'm out.
Gentlemen, do we have an offer?
I'm out.
I'm
We're
out.
out. We're out over here.
I'm out.
These circles are going
I
to be
owed
sold to
Hondo
this
a lot
gentleman.
of credit.
Oh, you
He's
owe
not
Hondo a
good.
bunch of credit.
Acting nervous like the
have,
first orders around. They're like, oh, we're doing a fake auction
credit,
now because they're here. It's engine parts for sure, not lightsaber. What? Who said lightsaber? It's so cool. It's such a small touch, but it's amazing.
It's supposed to be on, but 90% of the time it's always on. The back house should be turning on.
It's K2SO's head.
Yep.
Red arm? Yeah. Oh, it's C-3PO's red arm. Dude, good call. So the parts just come around this little conveyor belt? Oh, that's freaking pick it up awesome. Around that. That's freaking unbelievable. They just, dude, they literally could not have done this any better.
No, it's perfect.
This land is perfect.
Still waiting for my saber though.
And yeah, that's a little annoying. But like having to wait, they've kind of pushed it back a few times. But that's the first problem I've had all day.
No, this is fantastic.
So like,
that's not even a problem for me. It gives me more time to walk around the land.
Right?
I forgot what color he was.
Pretty mellow. It could snap at you, so just look.
How well the popcorn cart's gonna do. All day there was like no line for it. I don't know if people are interested in like weird sweet popcorn. Maybe I'm wrong. What do you think? Are you gonna get popcorn from Mosketelski? Popcorn cart, whatever it's called? This is one of my favorite things about this land is just freaking. I knew this was gonna be awesome. I've been talking about this thing since I found out about it at Celebration 2 years ago. It is getting dusk too now. Look at this. There's no line for Dok-Ondar. This place, they did it so well with staggering the crowds where you can actually enjoy things. Kudos to Disney for this opening day, man. It's been super special. Are you excited to build your lightsaber?
I'm excited. I had to wait 2 hours, but we're here.
that
We're
wasn't
finally.
that wasn't cool.
We're getting to the moment here now, so I'm excited.
It was funny. Everyone got up, but no one said anything.
Right. We all just saw the queue.
I was like, I guess it's over. I guess we're good.
It's not right.
Excuse me. I'm with this gentleman right here.
Oh, the one that's on the. Oh, let me get it on the computer.
Are you doing stuff?
No.
What are you doing, bro?
I'm just pretending. I'm playing my video.
And I can trust all of you, right?
Yeah. No spies here.
Maybe.
Oh,
dude.
Here's the table.
Next builder?
Do we?
Are you? So you're my builder. Are you building?
Am I building?
No, I'm building.
You're building.
He's with me. Oh, just stand over here because that's just like.
You ready?
Oh, great. Right here.
Do we see you guys are all building.
Yes, we're all building.
Yes.
Oh, got it. Okay.
I was too busy looking at the theming in this room. It's okay.
Welcome everyone. I'm really sorry about rushing you in like that, but there's stormtroopers around, the First Order. It's a mess. But anyways, you made it. What do you think of the workshop?
It is very cool.
Awesome. There's no need to flatter me. I know it's just a bunch of boxes and junk. But I promise, it's so much more. Excuse me, sorry, I shouldn't introduce ourselves. This is Carlos, and this is Tristan. My name is Leo, and we humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. Now, we may look like we're just scrappers, but I promise we are so much more. We have traveled across the entire galaxy searching for ancient artifacts, precious cargo, and relics, and we bring it all back here. We've traveled from war-ridden planets to abandoned outposts and ancient temples, and like I said, everything we find we bring back just for you guys. And if a stormtrooper were to walk in right now, they'd probably think that this is all just junk. They're only half right, but the rest of it is so much more, I promise. Now, I know that we are in troubled times. There was a call from General Leia Organa. You may have heard of a legend named Luke Skywalker. And now there's a new Jedi. Does anyone know her name? Rey, yes. She's that spark of hope, and the reason why you are all here today. Well, you're also here for another reason, obviously. To build this. The lightsaber. It is beautiful and enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is a form of art, and it connects the user to the Force. It has been used for defense by both our greatest heroes and our darkest of foes. And it's the beginning of each and every one of your stories today. And like your stories, there's a beginning. And there's also a beginning to this lightsaber right here. Which is this. The Kyber Crystal. The Kyber Crystal is the heart of your lightsaber. The Force flows through it and magnifies it. The color of your crystal will depict the color of your blade. The Gatherers and I have collected 4 colors for you today. We went through a lot to get these, and I'll start with this one right here, the blue Kyber Crystal. Once wielded by Master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice, Anakin Skywalker, and now Rey. The green Kyber Crystal. Once wielded by Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda, and even Luke Skywalker himself. And violet. Rare and beautiful. Once wielded by Master Mace Windu. And lastly, red. The Crystal of Power. Once wielded by Darth Maul, Darth Vader, Asajj Ventress, and now Kylo Ren. But enough about that. This is about you and your journey. So builders, I'm going to ask you all to now please close your eyes. I can see you, so please close your eyes. In your minds, picture your crystal. What color calls out to you? And who knows, even the crystal picks the builder. Now, open your eyes. It is time for you to pick your Kyber crystal.
Do you see your color? Beautiful. Over here, please. Better and finish a fumble so everything's tight.
Hold that.
You got it?
That's so cool. That's the offhand Disney saber.
Yeah, perfect.
It's canon, bro. It's canon. I'm a canon Star Wars character now.
This is so cool. Well, I was on the record of saying this was dumb, like not dumb, but like not worth the money.
Right.
I'm wrong. It's worth. It's awesome.
Wraps ourselves. Those are premium bantha leather.
Do you pull the bantha teeth for yourself?
Those are Rancor teeth.
Rancor
teeth. We had to pull the Rancor teeth ourselves. The bantha leather we had to tan. We also use the same for our aprons. Beautiful. It's not as we've had a couple of problems as you've seen.
Right.
But Savi likes candles.
Tristan's a problem. It's his third day.
Should be able to line it.
That's the sign. I didn't know if it was lined up perfectly or yet.
Sometimes he does. but unfortunately we're not with the Force. So, you know, it's hard with technology and these things. But I can show you how to activate it over here?
Yes.
Perfect. Great job, brother. All the way back, please.
We have reached the most dangerous step of this process. So I'm going to ask you all to take a big step back, maybe a bigger step if you're on Tristan's side. Now, the gatherers are going to be placing your hilts in the crystal stabilization chamber. Now, we are not Force users, so we can't make sure that the inner mechanisms of your lightsaber are all right through the Force. So we've harnessed technology to do it and make sure that no accidents happen. Right, Carlos?
Yes, you're right.
We usually don't let him in.
I'm here today.
How are you doing?
I'm about 2 hours without an explosion.
Oh, that's a good record.
Yeah, good job. Thank you. That's the first time I've done it.
And you don't let me in?
Alright, it's up to Savi. Alright, I think we're good. Builders, we have reached the final step of this.
Much skill have you shown. Chosen for yourself, you have. Now, joined you will be. It is time.
Wow. Master Yoda, the Force must be strong in this room. Builders, we have reached the final step of this process, where the bond between Saber and Builder will be forged. Now, in just a moment, on my mark, I'm going to ask you all to step forward, place your hands on your hilts, and you will activate our lightsabers together. Are we ready, Builders?
Yes.
All right, Builders. Step forward, place your hands on your hilts, and activate. Raise your lightsabers. You have just built a lightsaber, like the Jedi and the Sith who have come before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark.
Oh man.
Builders, please deactivate your lightsabers.
Complete your lightsaber is.
I missed actually.
Your destiny you seek, your own path. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. And thank you, Builders. You have made lightsabers as extraordinary and as amazing as each and every one of you. Now, in your hands, you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. So, we are pleased to present the saber sheath to you as you depart today.
Oh, yes.
Yay.
Unfortunately, our time has come to an end. But your journey is just beginning. It's time for you to go out and leave your mark on the galaxy. And who knows, maybe one day we'll be telling all of your stories. Now, as we say out here at Black Spire Outpost, till the spire.
Till the spire.
Thank you, Builders. Thank you. And remember, you have no idea where you got this from.
Oh man. I was getting emotional, man. Jesus.
Tears, that was unbelievable. Oh my god, that was so cool. It looks blue in the video.
A little bit. It's purple though.
Bad news, Doc! Broken chain hit one of our ships. Understood.
It's just a dude. What?
Have a drink, pour one out for IG88. He's not looking so good, but he is deceptive. He's very deceptive.
Excuse me. See?
This is already better than I I'm not a jerk, I swear. I can't believe this is going to be in my backyard, man. You're going to be able to That is the busiest I've seen this whole culture. Wow. Good, I'm glad.
So what's this? Someone hacked it. Who hacked it? That's what happened.
Today I said this lane makes all the Harry Potter. They're not being very proactive with getting people out. Yes, it is brand new to this land.
Is it going to be in Rise of Skywalker?
It needs to be. All right, dude.
I don't want to leave.
We've spent a long time here.
I don't want to leave.
I'm gonna do an entire podcast on all the things that I remember
It's
from
gonna be
Black
4
Spire.
hours long.
It will be. You need to come on.
I'll be
via
on
Skype or we can actually. I have the stuff. We could do it tonight.
We'll talk about Savis.
I don't want to do it tonight. I'm
about
exhausted.
Savis for 3 hours.
Dude, that was an unbelievable experience.
You saw if you've seen the footage at this point, probably.
Yes, this is the end of the video. So you saw it. It's just
both of us behaving like little children.
Dude, it was it's one like you just go like it's a lightsaber. But then when you're there and the music swells and you get the whole feeling of everything, it completely changes to this experience.
I really feel like that's something that Walt would have done.
Oh, absolutely.
It puts you into the universe in such a magical way.
This is the first time I've felt truly immersed in the land.
Oh yeah, easily.
Because like it's so funny. I called Holly earlier and I was like, hey, let me go. I'll call you when I get back to Disneyland. It doesn't feel like you're at Disneyland.
It feels like a third gate, or just you're on the Black Spire
It's
Outpost.
insane. And just like, look at that.
Look at that.
Get out of here. God.
To answer the question, is Star Wars Galaxy's Edge worth the hype?
Beyond
300%.
I had high expectations. I told you. I wrote an article about how high my expectations were for this land, and it exceeded all of them. And that was with I was literally going like, I don't know if it's actually going to live up to this. It's unbelievable.
100%.
Get here after June 23rd. You don't need a reservation for entry.
get here, the lines are going to be crazy. It's not going to be as dead as it was today, which is insane that it was that slow.
Yeah.
But it's worth it. You gotta come. It's unbelievable.
Just ride single rider from Millennium Falcon if that's what you... Millennium Falcon is open. It's a good ride. But I honestly thought Savi's was a cooler experience. I don't know. Rise of the Resistance is going to blow everything we've seen tonight out of the water.
Absolutely. And I think I'm kind of tied with Savi's and the Cantina, but like Savi's was like an emotional thing. The Cantina was just freaking awesome.
Yeah, and the Falcon is just a visceral, just fun, fun experience.
It's the best, man. God, I love this place. I'm so sad we're leaving, but anyway, thank you so much for watching this. This is a dream come true. It's supposed to be able to come here and hang out with you, man. It's been the best. Thank you for everything. You are my hero.
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Dash Rendar's the man.
For bringing this up all those months ago about us going on opening fireworks on opening day.
And we did it. We made it, dude. We made it. All right, friends, we will see you guys next time. Hit subscribe, hit the like, share this video.
Ring that bell.
Ring that bell. That notification bell is important. We will see you guys next time. May the force be with you. Till the spire.
Till the spire.
To do the shrinking room. What?
We went up instead of down.
We got to do the shrinking room with Adam the Woo. How insane. On Haunted Mansion, we obviously have it in Orlando.
Adam the Woo?
I'm not Adam the Woo, but I
was talking to myself.
I like Adam the Woo, though.
All right, well, take care.